Okay. Малко да намалим. Okay. So these guys are fixing the website again. Because it's written in spring, you know. It is the way it is. Yes, for me now, I just want to ask you. Actually, I'm quite happy that so many people want to win prizes. Yay! Like we do it every time. So what do you want? PlayStation? Huh? Huh? Yes? What else do you want? Xbox? iPhone? Android? Or iPhone? iPhone, yes, of course, iPhone. Who the fuck uses iPhone? No, who the fuck uses Android? iPhone is prettier. What else would you like to win? MacBook Pro. Champions League. Yes. It's very achievable exactly in Bulgaria. Yes. And you know who is going to win it? CSKA Bace. In Manchester. Yes. Okay. Did you like it? Was it fun today? I want you to make more noise. Was it fun? Yeah. Was it better than the year before? Yeah, so. Was the food okay, by the way? Everybody got his food? Okay. That magnificent technology with, you know, making marks on the food worked because no other people from the offices come and grab our food. Yes, now we have food for all. Good. Фиксахте го това, бе. Пускай музика. Айде, жик-так! Съвсем малко намали. Хора, там правостоящите. Има купища места още за седене там. Нали, ще ни направят от пожарната охрана, ще ни викат и ще ни изгонят сега всичките. Има места, заповядайте, не се притеснявайте.
So now you can see an example of 3 people fixing a bug. In fact, 2 people watching, 1 person trying to do something. You can observe live debugging, no AI.
Yes, this is what happens when there is no AI, only... Yes, there are several Java champions on the stage trying to fix the website. Yes. This is what happens when you use Linux on your laptop.
So it turns out the jPrime website is so secure that Mishu cannot log in even with a password. So that's and trying even with several browsers. Yeah.
We can just use ChatGPT, come on.
Човека, който казват, че преба машините за гласуване, не може да влезе в сайта на jPrime. Такива са и политиците, толкова разбират.
Окей. Чейнджваме лаптопа. Сега това е с Windows. Тук вече няма шанс. Някой да има Mac. Човек, почисти си този десктоп, бе. Окей, Windows заби. Почти. Още. Yes. Добре. Yes. Така, може ли на екрана да сложите картинката? Кажи.
Okay, so guys, in order to participate in the raffle, you need to scan this QR code, and when you are asked for your name, basically write the name that you have on your badge. Okay, so the QR code is coming. So the idea is, as you know, in the first years of jPrime, we usually selected people that were not present. So the way how this works is you just set a flag that you are here and only you are included in the raffle. There might be an ID. I know that you have no idea what your ID is, so just write your names the way how they are written in the badge. On the badge. Yeah, you should see something like that, but go back to the QR code. Yeah, or you can just write jPrime.io/QR/tuk, because why not? Let's try. Дай. So you just write your name, submit, and it says your presence has been registered, blah, blah, blah. Da. So people getting 405, we also get 405, and Няма company. So you don't have to select a company. You can just write your name or your name and company.
Okay.
So why this company has been added? For the special cases of Ivan Ivanov, where everyone is Ivan Ivanov, and if you want to filter which Ivan Ivanov you want to register. But if you just write Ivan Ivanov, all Ivan Ivanovs will be registered.
Okay, raise your hand if you are able to register.
Yeah, so if you do receive 405, turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm guessing that something is wrong with the router or whatever.
Yes. Misho, you spoiled the Wi-Fi.
So the idea of the ID was that it will be printed on the badge, but for some reason this year it is not printed on the badge. So just... No, I think the last year it was printed.
Okay, who was not able to register? Okay, try again, please.
Try without Wi-Fi. Write your two names.
Turn off the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So just ignore this.
Almost there. We are debugging.
Just ignore this and ignore this for now.
Yes, it's just because we're using Spring technology for this.
Okay? Also, if you have some shady, strange name like Maria, which is super strange.
Okay.
If you
How
are,
many of you
yeah,
are still not able to register?
If it is written like that, write it like that. If it is
Turn
like
off
that,
the
write it
Wi-Fi.
like that. So it should be...
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Okay, are we done? Everyone registered? Okay, waiting.
Who's playing? Okay, Steve.
Everyone cannot do it
By the
on
way,
Steam.
just a second. There is an official information that tomorrow there will be another strike. There is a possibility. So if you still want to listen to our famous...
Зор, Okay, so maybe tomorrow there will be strike and KNSB are saying that even the underground may also. So yeah, just to know it.
Okay, are there still people which are not able to register? Okay, there are too few people who are not able to register.
Okay, if you cannot register, register another name and remember it.
Vrni QR code. Okay, this is your last chance to register.
Again, you can just type the URL jprime.io/QR/tuk. Yeah, but that's because we will be called mafia if you register. It's weird that I can register, but that's a different story. Okay, is everyone done? Okay, one person is not done. I guess he have a very long name.
Okay, are there still anybody not able to register? Okay, no hands up. Go ahead.
We done? Okay. So, there will be 8 companies that will be giving gifts, and we basically. What's so funny?
I just left
and
our
we will
webpage.
basically help them to just choose the winner. Ivane?
I'm trying to accommodate the speaker. You are accommodated. Okay, so before I accommodate the speaker, the first company they can't be here. It's Flutter, or maybe you know them as Poker Stars, and yeah, as they are a poker star, they are giving away a poker set, which is very heavy. Yeah, you can also do some workout. So let's start the raffle. Okay, so the winner is Virginia Voucheva from IBM.
Please come here. Where are you? Hey.
Congratulations, it's
Okay, big applause.
okay, and
Big applause, you.
And next is Okado. Where is Kotseto? Not Kotseto. I always ask for Kotseto.
Hi everyone, we are Okado. It was really nice talking to all of you who came by our booth today. If you didn't or wasn't able to, we'll be here tomorrow as well. You know us probably by our very cool robots, also because we usually give away Lego sets on these raffles. Well, this time we chose to do differently and provide a more practical reward, which is this Kindle. And yeah, let's pick the winner.
Push the space button.
Kostadin Dimov.
Pak je koctu. Ajde, tempo, 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 tempo. Tempo, tempo, tempo.
So, guys, feedback. who is for Lego set? And who is for Kindle? So this is the feedback next year, Lego set.
So Kustodin may stay here, or maybe some of his colleagues can come. Next is Commerzbank.
It looks not like Lego set.
Hello everyone, it's nice to see you all here, and I will be proud to representing Commerzbank. And a little bit more about it, we have a digital technology center here in Sofia that opened in 2020, and we have more than 700 people, and we're hiring more than 500 with very diverse tech stack. So please, if you didn't have the time today, come check tomorrow our booth. Thank you. Oh yeah, what are we going to give you? We have this battery over here, 65 watts, that gives you the extra time that you need for those production fixes that you are on the beach. So yeah, you know how it is. Don't tell anyone.
Space emojis.
Okay. Should I wait for a friend or something? Not space. Димитър Стоянов.
So next is software IBM, sorry.
Здравейте, радвам се да ви видя. Както разбрахте, ние сме от IBM. За първи път сме тук на конференцията, представяйки IBM. Подаръка, мисля, че го виждате какво сме подготвили.
Боже мой, боже мой, боже мой!
Сега, играта не е Лего, обаче може да си вземете игра за Лего, така че ако искате Лего, ето вариант.
Чакай аз да се регистрирам.
И така, I was supposed to do it in English?
No matter, it's okay. There's no recording.
Okay. И така, много се радвам, че ви видяхме тук през деня. Очакваме съответно да ви видим и утре и ще се радвам да ви видим, да се запознаем, пък и някой ден да работим заедно. И да пристъпим. Петър,
Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night wind was blowing.
Hey.
You think you're gone?
Mafia.
Hey, I just met you, and this
We call this night and random.
so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's a number. So call
So,
me baby.
thank you. Next is AmuseNet. They have 3 prizes, right?
But they don't look like Lego set or PlayStation, so...
If we knew that the software is so buggy, we would have given only one prize. Hello, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for spending this day with all of the companies that we sponsor this amazing event. For us at AmuseNet, it's a great pleasure to be here for several years in a row, and we hope that we were able to talk with many of you today. For all of you, we are still here tomorrow. We have another raffle on our booth as well. We are giving 2 tickets to the Robbie Williams concert in the end of September. So everyone who wants to come, just come to our booth. We have a QR code, you can scan it. It works better. I promise. So now let's pick the 3 winners. We have 3 summer kits. Each kit contains a power bank, a Bluetooth speaker, a towel for the summer, and a nice hat. So we only need some cold beer, but you have this from the
Beer is
organizers.
downstairs. It's free.
Yep.
Thomas? Borislav Donev. Hey.
I think that everyone was excited for the last winner, Persuav. Thank you all, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, Musenet. Thank you, Philip. And next is DXC, Manchester United.
Okay. Robbie Williams or PlayStation?
Hello everyone, my name is Elisabetta. I'm leading the Software Services Department of DXC. This year we are really proud to be part of the co-organizers of jPrime for the first year. Thank you. I'm sure all of you have heard of DXC as an outsourcing company, the largest one in Bulgaria, but we also have a substantial software development department, more than 300 colleagues, and a large part of them are working on projects with Java technologies. So we would be happy if you come to our booth. We are here tomorrow as well and speak to us. In the meantime, enjoy, and now we have a small prize for you. This is a professional backpack with a Garmin smartwatch. Virginia Baucheva.
That's nice and random.
Повядай, Виргиния. Надявам се да ти хареса подарък.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.
welcome to DJ CVM.
Okay, thank you,
Mafia.
DXC. And now, for the first time, sponsors, Cognite.
Здравейте на всички! За нас е чест да присъстваме за първи път на тази конференция jPrime. По-високо и по-близо. Благодаря на всички ви за днес. И това, което ние правим, е Investigative Analytics Software. Ще се радвам да се видим и утре. Благодаря ви за днес. Подаръка ни е ваучер за ивенти.
Една книга и... Okay, thank you, Cognite. And next is Experian.
Hi Hi everyone, what a great day. I want to thank our great hosts for today's sessions, agenda, and every one of you who stopped by our booth to meet us and play some fun games. For you, today we have prepared Sky Vision voucher for your next adventure.
Кристина Спасова.
So our next gift is from the Java community. In fact, it's a book that's originally signed by the authors, which are Heather Van Koor and Bruno Sousa, given at Java 1. And it's about developer career master plan. So even if you think that you've already reached a stage where you don't need to read about developer career, you can give it to someone that's starting his career. So.
Pavel Paunov, IBM again, huh? I don't know. Okay, and last thing. We are giving away 3 IntelliJ. Okay, last but 3 thing. We are giving away 3 IntelliJ deal licenses from our partners from JetBrains. So you don't have to come to the stage now. Just come to us after everything finishes, and you will give us your emails where we will send the licenses. So the first one is Sanja Stevanovic from Wiser. Just raise your hand to see it. Okay. Okay, you're here. Next one is the promise is spacията, не. Stefan Dimitrov from VMware. Wow, VMware.
VMware, they still exist.
Все още има такива. And the third one is Maya Metodiev from PaySafe. Okay, so after the raffle, please come to us and share your email addresses so that we can send you the licenses.
Yeah. Okay, something final from me. So as you know, usually I'm giving tickets for Polyglot for Dev. However, there won't be any more Polyglot for Dev conferences.
Look,
so
he's using Bing.
we are setting this conference. At least that's the idea. If you want to know why or whatever, I can explain you. However, together with few friends, we will make a data stack conf in October, so the same time. The website is datastackconf.com, if I can write correctly, /jPrime. Everyone who have a ticket for jPrime can register with their names and email for the DataStackConf, and basically they will have a free ticket, and they will receive more information when So, come on. Super up. So let me.
Okay, the most complicated way.
What the hell? Okay, so you can scan this QR code and just use the names that you have on the jPrime. You can write whatever email you want. It doesn't have to be your company email, especially if you plan to leave the company till October. There is no limit in the tickets, so some information about the organizers. The organizers are trying basically to create and to have a Postgres user group in Bulgaria. Currently, one of the people behind the conference is kind of in a team that is managing more than 100,000 logical instances of Postgres. So it's a huge volume. Also, they have a lot of experience with Oracle, so you can expect all sorts of data-related talks, maybe data lake stuff, maybe things about Aurora and AWS and so on and so on. Again, the conference will be in October. The actual date is not yet decided because it depends on the venue. And again, if you work in a company that have some investment in data stuff, for example, Infinite One, I just know that they have. You can even join as a sponsor. There is an email on the datastackconf.com. Okay? So we will leave this so you can register. In the meantime, the 3 people that actually won IntelliJ licenses can come to give their emails so we can send the license. Just something is that the license, I believe, is personal IntelliJ license.
Please stop.
So you cannot
know how to use
in
licenses.
a company. Okay, no, that's important. The license is a personal license for IntelliJ Ultimate. So you cannot use it if you work in VMware, for example, right? But yeah, just VMware. But
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for being with us. Good luck with the public transport. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, everyone, and see you tomorrow.